So if you want to have gradebook integration on a VoiceThread that you've assigned a student to create, so let's say student A gives a presentation and you want the rest of the students in the class to comment on that presentation, and you want to provide a grade to those students who comment, and you want that grade to be populated into the Blackboard gradebook automatically based on what you type in VoiceThread. This is the process that you would follow. Not many people are going to be using VoiceThread this way. It's common for people to have students create a VoiceThread and instructors would give them credit for creating a VoiceThread. It's also common for the instructor to create a VoiceThread and then give all the students credit for commenting on the instructor's VoiceThread. So those are two kind of standard ways that it's used. In some classes they'll use it this way, where there will be an assignment associated with students commenting on other students' VoiceThreads, but the process is kind of a bit tedious. It's a few steps, but I'll show you how to do that. So first you would want to go to Build Content and VoiceThread, and we're going to create an assignment, and this is going to be comment on student one's presentation. We're going to enable evaluation. Everybody will get 2 points for that, and I'm going to click submit, and then I'm going to click in to that assignment, and I'm going to go to the assignment builder, and I'm going to assign that students need to submit a comment. And you'll see that student one's VoiceThread is not listed over here, and that's because usually only the instructor's VoiceThreads are listed over here. But once a student follows the process where he or she shares it with you, the instructor, and allows you edit access, you should be able to make an assignment based on that VoiceThread. So you would just click Add VoiceThread by share link or ID, paste that ID in there, and if the student has shared it with you properly, then you should see this come up. If this doesn't come up, you'll get a notification that you can only share VoiceThreads that you're an editor of. So the assignment is going to be students in class this class should make 2 comments on student one's presentation. And 2 comments, and I'm going to click create assignment and share with class. So other students will now see that listed as a VoiceThread assignment. They'll be required to go in and comment, and once you grade their comments, that will be pushed over to the Blackboard gradebook. Now keep in mind that the student who created the presentation may or may not, depending on your wishes, need to comment on their own VoiceThread, but they will have a 0 in the gradebook unless you give them the points for it. So you want to keep that in mind if you're using this methodology. Also, if there are several of these throughout the semester, say you have 10 instances in which students need to comment on other students' VoiceThreads, you may create a category in Blackboard in the gradebook and just drop the lowest grade, representing the one where the student wouldn't have to comment on his or her own VoiceThread.